Yes. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am going to do a inner fender liner, whatever you want to call it, install today. But first, I'm going to attempt to do something really cool. All right, let's give it a try. That was pretty cool. It's time to go get some food so we can get back and do that install. Everything unpackaged, it's time to put it on the Jeep. The install itself was fairly easy. However, I did have the stock fender flares and inner fenders already removed for the front and the rear, which made the install process much easier for myself. Difficulty for your install will vary depending on the flare and inner fender that you already have on your Jeep. If you're going from a stock flare and inner fender to a aftermarket flare and inner fender, then you'll have a little bit more difficulty than if the stock components were already removed. Simply because the body clips and body push pins on the stock components can be a little troublesome to get off. The quality of the product is top notch. I really like these inner fenders front and rear for my Jeep. Not only does it give it a great look, but also provides a functional piece for the vehicle. The front inner fenders actually provide coverage for the components inside the engine bay. While it does give it protection, it also keeps heat away from the outside coming from the inside. The rear inner fender piece is more for looks than functionality, but it does look good. Overall, I think the product is great. I highly recommend it, especially if you're looking for a good product at an affordable price. Overall, I'm happy with the way the Jeep looks. And I'm so happy to have a inner fender again for the Jeep instead of the half Evo one that I had. With that said, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye.